Every programming language has some built-in data structures, mostly like arrays, lists, dictionaries, etc. These data structures are a special way of storing and assessing of the data. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about a data structure called as list. You can say string and list, they are kind of very similar operation. You can think of a list as a general string where your each element is you can think of it as a list of general string, and this can be of any type of data structure, whichever Python definitely provides. Usually you will notice that we will be interchanging a list and a string a lot. So we will be kind of interchanging a list with respect to string or vice versa. Let's take an example to understand this. Let's say I have an email with me. That email is like a string for us. Right? So it may have like, hi tech love, you guys are doing awesome. Thanks, XYZ. Now, if I look at this email, this is a complete is a kind of a string which is created with the help of multiple characters. Now, if I have to basically if I have to see the nature of that email, it is not consisting of just a character, but instead it is more of a representation of each word, right? So we have like each word, hi is one word, tech love is another word, and so on. So we have different words coming out of those particular email from that particular string, you can say. Now each word can be put across as a list. So this is a combination of multiple strings, multiple small words, which is now creating me a list. Now using those set of words, I can do lot of stuff, like I can count that how many total number of words are present. I can even do an analysis on it. Maybe I want to figure out whether it's a spam or a non-spam email. We will be we will be learning about these kind of process into machine learning courses. You can apply any sort of natural language processing. Means a lot of analysis can be done now on that particular list. So now we will be exploring this list data structure in detail. We will be doing that from next lecture.